Welcome back to 6-Minute Math, where we turn confusion into clarity 6 minutes at a time. Thank you for joining us today, where we will be discussing how to multiply polynomials using the box method. 6 minutes is not a lot of time, so here we go. Our key points to use the box method for multiplying polynomials is to set our polynomials on each side of a rectangle separated by the term. If I look at x plus 3 times x plus 2, I would have my rectangle, and I would set those polynomials on each side. I would have x and plus 3 on top, and then I would have x and positive 2 on the left. Then I'm going to multiply each of the terms into the corresponding box. X times x is x squared. X times positive 3 is 3x. 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times 3 is 6. My last step is to collect the like terms to create your answer. In this case, I have like terms of 2x and 3x. So I would add those together for a final answer of x squared plus 5x plus 6. Let's see some examples. We're going to expand x minus 4 times x plus 2. I have my box, and I'm going to write my polynomials into the corresponding rows and columns. X and negative 4. X and positive 2. Then I multiply. X times x is x squared. X times negative 4 is negative 4x. 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. And then I collect my like terms. I have 2x and negative 4x for a final answer of x squared minus 2x minus 8. Let's look at another example. We have 2x plus 3 times 3x minus 4. I have my rectangle, and I'm going to separate my binomials, 2x plus 3 and 3x minus 4. 3x times 2x is 6x squared. 3x times positive 3 is 9x. Negative 4 times 2x is negative 8x, and negative 4 times positive 3 is negative 12. I collect my like terms here with my x values, giving me a final answer of 6x squared plus a single x minus 12. On to our last example here. We're going to expand, and in this case we have a binomial times a trinomial. Nothing changes in our process. We are just going to add an extra column. So I'm going to put my binomial on the left, x plus 4, and my trinomial across the top, x squared minus 2x plus 3. And then multiply. X times x squared is x cubed. X times negative 2x is negative 2x squared. And x times positive 3 is 3x. Positive 4 times x squared is 4x squared. Positive 4 times negative 2x is negative 8x. And lastly, positive 4 times 3 is positive 12. When I'm collecting my like terms, in this case I have two sets. I have some x squareds and I have some x's, which gives me a final answer of x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 12. Those are all the examples we have today for multiplying polynomials using the box method. If you want to see more examples, be sure to check out the extended version of multiplying polynomials using the box method, which I will link in the description below. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok at 6Minute Math, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below for any topic you want to see me tackle in a future 6-minute episode. Always remember that the best way to get math is to practice math, so keep on practicing, and until next time, keep solving and evolving.